friend with me is Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Advanced Features over here. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher to activate it. Following that, pick one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button and click on the one of your choosing. Then follow instructions below. Double tap the home button. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can do that by clicking on this icon on one of its sides. If you wish to go back into the standard size, you can do that by clicking on the black area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, click on this switcher next to Use One-Handed Mode. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!